Hey, remember that vinyl record I pre-ordered last November? Well, I still haven't been able to listen to it because of some really sad stuff that happened. But I decided enough was enough and I'm gonna make a little table for my sound gear at my current place so I can finally unbox it and give it a spin. Oh, and I don't want my kids' noisy friends messing with my turntable, so I'm gonna make sure they can't open the cover. I'm also gonna make a little space for my media server. It's just some old computer parts stuck in a box. I'm using a dowel jig to make all the joints for the table. I'm gonna use a small drawer lock that I found laying around. I'm drilling this 20 millimeters hole from both sides to avoid tear outs. All the wood I'm using is scrap wood or wood that left over from another project. This is my media server. I made it out of old computer parts that I connected inside a wooden box. I use it with Plex, with all my movies and all my music, all the kids' movies. I installed Nextcloud file server, so I am transferring all my files from my mobile phone. It's very convenient as a file server. I'm soldering the tip of the cables so it will be easier to connect them to the speakers and to the amplifier from the other side. Okay, so this is the Duff McKagan record special edition that came with a lot of presents inside.
I have sailed across the ocean, hit by wind and storm.
Okay, so when I'm done and I don't want curious children check out the spinning components, I just close it